so bia ye Sammor Dua Farouk ni ba say opese wo de ne ho ka ho eno nso no ye ma omo order say nka by 27th no omo file omo bibia eno omo ntimi ande so by judge no say judge awo tena asem no so amma directive so obia emfile the processes bia unsaka people bia so responded by within 7 days na nyame ya aduma omo ko break ba on the 13th of January no na yaba ema ya tena asem no so say ni yaba ene say asem no akokudi judge foforo kwa nyame ya aduma yabeba on the 13th of January na yaba beto aso
president of high court for 5 since you moko say
no mentiment chere high court because ma judge na ye dia akoma no or appeal court judge any ye ne say on medi nti oba betena as an additional if say high court judge nti wono na yaba betena so nti wono na be chere baby a ye beko akwakotena na ye betena mo nti on the 13th na yaba no na register be chere say bi adan we mu na ye kwakosha na de ye kotena wo appeal court for omo conference room e ho na tran ya ye ne ye bibia.
So the whole process was the first the matter was moved from the high court to another court, and it's the same court. Okay, but however, this time around, I appeal court judge who has descended from so or the transit as a high court judge to hear the matter, and for that matter is granted in law. And of course, yeah, higher we are very much aware that we are on the side of truth. And he said, we believe no matter what, and no matter the position that will be taken, we believe that we are side of the truth. We don't care. So, however, we are grateful. We believe that some people have triggered their process that the matter should be moved from different courts, and the chief justice would go right on Monday.
Okay. Hey, sorry.
Hey. Yeah, the matter.
Some people might have triggered what is happening.
Why are you saying that? Well, because the matter was before Obi na matter was before High Court, and the matter before the High Court, no, and I court way, and the court way. So what have triggered that process? I didn't probably in the territory. Well, I believe I respect the sanctity of the judiciary, and I believe in the authority of the judiciary, and so I am not here to condemn. But Obi, imagine say take that decision, say appeal to the chief justice that he should resolve the matter by taking the matter to a different court. People have said, oh, we are corrupt, you are corrupt, you have this. We are not corrupt, but I believe that the matter or the position that the chief justice have taken, we have no problem. We may have our own problem, but we are not scared because the fact that we don't scare. We are not scared is the fact that we believe we are on the side of truth.
What is one
and so why will the matter be before a court, and then the matter will be taken from that court? Nipan why then? Has he taken a position that you think he's biased? Judiciary is biased? Judiciary is biased, and so before you ask somebody to take a leave of a particular case, judiciary there must be biases, and I don't think he is biased. So probably it's important that the judiciary will tell us on what basis that probably the matter was taken from the court to the other court. But however, as I'm saying, we have no problem at all. But we believe the matter will be resolved, and the matter will be resolved in truth because you are on the side of truth.
Minister, Dan will chat for you. He will say, "I grant you one more personal." Abrantie Sammor Dua and nkofo ma nanti be tanti ha be and your man asem etiamba ensem pata and then Sammor Dua nkofo.
Well, Wadaroma, today I don't think they have been here. And of course, mo follow media and mo follow event in SAMPAH. Ma won say Oyene Ekosu or SAMPAH. And this Oyene Ekosu or SAMPAH has been instigated by the Sammor Dua group of people. You understand? Meaning, you are the media people. Are you aware that something is going on in SAMPAH? Some are aware. You are aware. So what is aware? The point is, this year we are. This year we are no. And give him dignity because he deserves to be buried. And I didn't call. I didn't call ya. And to share so. But what happened is they have gone to a public station to make an announcement,
FM station,
a public local address system, to make an announcement, say, wow, this will be actually 1 million. Emma Wine, that's the authority. So the person who made that statement, that is why time and again, we want to tell the IGP that he's been populist. Because he's been popular. Recently, I can read on the media that a general has been arrested here in Kumasi. Right? I think to me, that misinformation. Right, so clearly, we tell the IGP to arrest that boy. Because he has to arrest him. We are not begging because when this matter happened, Look, we are giving a constructive notice what is happening in Sampa.
Okay.
We are not begging him. It's his legal duty, legal obligation, responsibility to ensure the safety and the commitment and the progress of the people of Sampa. Okay. What do I say? We have reported more than 45 cases to the District Police Command. District Police Command was Sampa. The crime officer is a criminal officer. He's a criminal officer. Because at the end of the day, let me give you a scenario. My mother has been brutalized, assaulted. His hand has been broken. At the heat cost of operation, we operated it. Recently, he has been attacked again. Am I not a human being? And Sammor Dua, and that is why I'm calling. Yeah, of course, I'm telling you all on the authority, and that's why I'm calling on the National Security Minister, and National Security, and the Inspector General of Police. That look, VA or Kumanum or Judicial, so ne papa feel in media, he should be arrested. Or you for him, by authority, you show your henna, a money and mamre chess or your henna. What I say, or your henna, he should be arrested. Obama should be arrested. Kwame Oka, who made that information on that public radio's point, should be arrested because it was a misinformation. Yeah, who hears that information? We want to the police people to tell you, look, ni asema boy na man address issue now, it will lead to problem. We are on record. We are telling the Inspector General of Police that we are on record. They are causing the mayhem. But who are you? That is the point that we are asking. We are nobody. For instance, we won't cover no more Spain, more Barcelona, ni Madrid, ni Espanol. They should ask themselves the state no motivational. Sorry that everything is grounded in law and everything by law. And at the end of the day, whatever position that you seek to take must be grounded in law. The decision that he took was in law, wasn't in law, and that is why we want to the police to tell them, say, look, man, prevent your brand here is going to cause chaos, and indeed chaos. I see. Should be obi a film. What am I? Well, I don't have the confirmed figure to tell you, but what I know, say any private film. But of course, near minimum say obi office ma, obi duni juma, or sample of film. And that is why we are saying, Sebi, Senkophobia, a Jumakobi, now Taumochi, now so Muswa, or any BCA. Sometimes it do happen to you. We are very sorry it's happening, but these are the perpetrators who did it. Somebody have on the air. Because in a here this year, yeah, but Martak here, you travel all the way. Do you know why it's deliberate? They travel all the way. What try if you are Dumanum, Adra Swanse? From there, they attacked my mother's shop. And that is why I'm saying, say, no, but Obama Ule, and I know me, our shop nibi, and I'm daring them. I'm very humble person. I am very humble person, and all of us are very humble. We want to deal with the situation fairly and within the law. But however, if they provoke us, we can equally do so. No me or madam for me uncle no. Obama Ule or madam for. I am daring you. What you are doing at time. My mother has been attacked 1, 2, 3, 4. Mabuni Nasa. Yako operation, and we have reported this matter to the police. And, and that is why I'm saying the Inspector General of Police is being populist. If it's not being populist, that is why I'm saying, say, we can't misinformation. You arrested the person, and it's all arrested that person in the same manner, in the same vein. Because and the we are not begging you that do us a favor. We are begging you to protect the people of Sampa. That's our interest, and that's your interest. Now, when you say that, what are you trying to tell us? And that is why I respect that is why I respectfully the coercive power of the state. The state are power more than anybody. And then we know that is here. So bankers or a bankers will achieve better and will be to me. But however, Oma yedi esika twi omo and Omaya and Ankophobia influence you they are misbehaving. Because I'm saying we have reported more than 45 cases to the district command of Sampa. Sorry, what have they done? They have not done anything. And so what do you expect us to do? And that is why we are saying from hands going. We are daring the National Security Minister that enough is enough. We are men enough. And we can equally unleash our potential. But however, we believe in the rule of law. We believe that the right thing has to be done. People are even instigating us that we should fight back. But we believe in the interest of the Ghanaian people. And we believe in the development of people and our Santimai. And that is why we have restrained ourselves. Even the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, Dr. Dampare, you have access to Asante Mine. You have access to Otumfo. You can place a call respectfully. Respectfully, you bow down before him every day. You ask him, Nana, Wadaroma, Matisen send me because you are Sampa. Ask him, Nana, and then you take that decision. That's the interest of policing. And you sit down there, you have been attacked every day. Oh, me mama, when they do that to your mother, will you be happy? Will you be happy? I'm not saying that protect me specially. I'm a Ghanaian. All of us are Ghanaian. Sebi me do na enya. Any say me do. Sebi show the dim na enya. I show the dim. And that is why we are saying there should be fairness. We are not begging. We are in panel chow, and we are not going to beg anybody, whether political party, MPP, NDC, because at the end of the day, it's the taxpayers' money that they are using to run this country. And for that matter, we are not scared about anybody. We are saying they should do the right thing for the common good of the people and for the common good of the people. That is what we are saying.
Because now you almost say some ya ni atu asem to sebi beba say e bia auto din obi anka onye obi ahwe na obi to ahwe so
in the money ya asefem no. That is why I'm saying say yakosi this year no yakosi no yakosi na eba no. They travel all the way from where they live. We know them. Yanka hwishemu yanka bibia nhemu. What do you say? And they attack us and they shot us and they have available evidence. What do you say? I give the narration. Uti bantuma mesumiti edum na ya be sie edi share ohanom na moma fia no ma cross kwan abetutu wonum ene boapa ye wadaroma
wuso ma tutu
wadaroma
yeah akode de nim se nka hye aban ne nsa
it's important we put in this perspective. People are accusing us that we have guns, but the point that we have to ask ourselves in there, legally Ghana in law who to me SAMPAH Ghana mra ema nkwan se wo tu ana dey na be ma what you say o ti anum na dey be am robber eba ofie eba robo na self defense. And so who what you are na call lance say so we are daring them all those people that who are accusing us that we have guns, that they should take us on. What I say, they have accused my mother, that my mom is part of the whole problem. I expect the Inspector General, I expect the IGP to arrest my mother on Chino or China na no cry a woman na ya the American say a two office will be it has been lanced and it's granted in law, and let nobody deceive you. They shit on social media and then they lie to you that as if say be a terrorist. Me na me for wasem me ko aye den and I dey na me no where but me church say me no any nuafo me no any tracker tiase ma memfa na memfa, but they knew very well say the only way they could fight us was to bring that barrier fee so we can fight. That is the essence.
Now, rest second, that's a blue regional.
And so we are that is why we are disappointed in the government. The government have to sit up. The government knows a flashpoint, and it's a flashpoint. What are they sitting there for? What they are saying? They should ensure that the right thing is done in there. And you are not saying obi me protect you. Yeah, say the chrono or minor neka. And so be obi a badwimba obi a sebi. Me to trust him, and I can say now will I ask for the demand of the police or the national security? Of course, and I believe in the interest of the people. We are just SAMPAH from KUMASI. A man for a team for a friends and crime for a santi for and to a cano. Oh, me majmon. Chinebe money now what you may question. No more DAs in a beya shabi. That Daniano or meet me across. That's our interest.
Okay, yeah, sure. And then ask someone, Dean, I shall have your back court. If you no can you there drink as a court ever cast and on I've done to a friend SAMPAH Dua, and the Badan court or no so episode of the cast and let me be a possible. So they will two courts, maybe a bit piano, and I say, I will call Eddie Amano. Bear and proud of you, court of
that in respectfully. Now, the matter was given to an appeal court judge. Was Sani Abase as a justice of the High Court, and Shebi Abekan Shemino, but he's new to the case. And she said, Shebi Minumi no, wo fa share no manaya or mane kona unti asem na say so nya butre say monko na bisem na afi obisem wi a na afi share enti he has given us a general we come back na yaba na ne wo mu no na Shebi odi atu ani. And so that is why
meaning 2017 so ebeba so
I think it's defective. I think it's defective by the ruling of this. I think we'll come back on the 13th, so it's defective.
Okay.
So
how did you feel now, Judge and catcher joined and a lawyer and said, "Oh, this serious because I can't share the Musaka, Wapan, and I was called DBA, but not a case that you need to make." How did you feel?
Well, equally one is important, and I'm going to say, what business I say, I make higher because I say, meaning you are not in the court. Now, who to me who say, Judge, and I can say, defend and lawyer and serious. It thinks you want to work and America. Of course, now council are no crane. Enti a chepe face e bwakwaye. They are not prepared to pursue the matter, but they are prepared to delay the matter. But however, we want to tell them, say, and that's how much is over a lot of Sampa and nothing will change. And no matter what, the intimidation, how much intimidating mommy. Look, and mommy come, me mommy, they have destroyed that evidence. Evidence are there. Oma say store, for musika, destroy them. But we are saying, say, we will not be intimidated. We are on the side of truth and history. And we will defend our cause. But it doesn't mean we are coward. We are not coward. But we believe in the sanctity and the common good of the people. We can attack Naomi, and any sisters. We can attack their interests. We can attack their interests. But if I attack your interest, what do I have? I don't have anything. And that is why, that out of that respect, and that out of that common good, we believe that this is not the way to resolve the matter. So if we say, Untiasia, now Dormaahene, no Asumahin, Omutamachi. They are instigating them. Oh, of course, Sebi, I don't hate him. And I don't hate anybody. But I believe in the truth. They are instigating them. They are the very people who are instigating them. Of course, because if Unya instigated, National House of Chief election also. Of course, election course, didn't also. Probably, out of respect for the man for him, I don't want to comment on this matter. I think he made a fundamental and a profound resolution, and that led to the about 20 course. But meanwhile, you, Dormaahene, when you were standing at the National House of Chief, you were talking about legality. Do you believe in legal? Do you believe in legal issue? When Omokajo said Tambo, right? That also. What were you saying? You want to defend your way. So it shows how hypocrite you are. It shows how unserious you are. Of course, we say so with respect. You can't say when you demo, you can't say when boom, you can't say I did not tell. But me can't say look. Of course, I dare and some fatan and yet in here at time. Exactly, you don't have to do that to me, and I don't have to do that to you.
I want in mind, yeah, done in mind. Suma, I want in mind, done in mind. SAMPAH see your mind, you done in mind. Yeah, you got to put in
and so clearly, I hope you are aware, sir. There have been 100 year celebration of the return of Nana Prempeh the first. How many years? How many years? Until you see, when you battle with somebody who have history and who have documentation, you don't battle with that person. It amounts to hate. What does it amount to hate? After 28 gold ornament, only if you buy Anglo Gold South Africa, Omafama. Shabi, Nipano one and him. And as I said, be passion will be. By Yamina Bonisa, Yamia Bonisana, sending in Monyamno, Utia Ukutama and Yamedia, maybe to be Sumbi. I have to be proud of you. What I say. So why don't I be proud of you? The point is, Asantima is Asantima, and Asantima will continue to be great, and forever and ever will be great. And nobody can dare and challenge the authority of Asantima. Accept it. Accept it. You don't want to do politics. We don't want to do politics. Asantima can't time and again that we are not part of politics. What I say, but Asantima, yeah, two Asantima for, yeah, two Asantima, yeah, can't, they should understand the principle of Asantima. They should defend the cause of Asantima. Asantima be a defend Asantima cause. Maybe Asantima interest, or they should defend it. That's why the people want to listen. We are telling the people, I'm defend Asantima cause. Well, clearly, so we are Bema now, we show to me and Kababa because I say, Oyena. They are scared to come here, and they know probably Sebi Asantifo and Asantima or Nyansha by any moon, but they are scared. No one show bar or Mechumana BBC. That is why they didn't come. Of course, I say I've mentioned him. I say Obama should be arrested. He should be arrested. Nima Papa Fee or the Chamswanum. Safi in Yamidia, and because in Yamidia, as I say, 2 million in Yamidia, and Nidia. But however, on the same ranting here, on your Kutupa, Francophobic, like King Tampa Wenchi, and they are misbehaving. Every Sabi, you're respecting Yabuno. I Madu, Madu Asana, RBA, I friend saying, Madu, Incorrelibay, I 8 he brought a echo Masatale, I say, I teach a Masaka. You are principles, so your hina, I show dim rabiso. What I say, and for that matter, being on your hin, but can be. And to account and a man for as animano, M1 on Chasso, and then that is why we are calling him that he's an interested party in the matter, he should be dealt with. That's a wish I need for the Ranty or Modis and Yamans and free SAMPAH from your possessor of free Sankorin instigating, and that is why there is an undertone of political undertone. But of course, I don't care about the political undertone because I cannot be allowed, or we will not be allowed for any politician to intimidate us.
Political undertone.
Of course, because the interest is to pursue an agenda that will make the place ungovernable for an interested party. But we are not care.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, yeah, Dede. Let's wrap up. So that is another thing that we are talking about.
Okay.
But how we believe, say, the constitution is there, and no political party can overturn the decision of anti-mine.
Yeah.
And this is NDC, so MPP new, Janelle, you know. And sure, say, so Bana Renia, Sinebe Abu Mina, but you don't divide and rule. If you divide and rule, what do you say? You how will you feel? Say, well, NDC needs to Yakubu, MPP needs to Yakubu. It's not going to serve anybody well. But near can say, officer, me no only a friend saying, me no any argument. You trigger the process, and then you take me on. That's what you are calling for. 13 January. Well, we still believe that, and now to let someone fly, and then SAMPAH back up, and nothing can change it. And this is anyone more. Can say we don't want to come after them. They have destroyed our properties. Anytime, any day, anytime. They keep on. And that is why we are calling the Inspector General of Police. That any SAMPAH phone bibiaka. We want them to use the coercive power of the state. And the power of the state, we are not saying say they should be divisive. Imagine you see this year, they should come down to the ground, investigate the matter. If we and of course they should arrest us. And then of course we are now in fraud and they should arrest them. And that's why I'm saying the crime officer at the SAMPAH Judicial Police Command is complicit. He should be exposed. He's a disgrace to the police service, and for that matter, he should need to sit up and do what is right. Come on.
Senior, actually,
oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Come on.